Welcome back to the Car Expert channel, everyone. Today, we're embarking on an in-depth, no-holds-barred journey into the world of modern SUVs and trucks, a journey that uncovers the reliability issues lurking behind some of the most hyped vehicles on the market. We've all been drawn in by flashy commercials, cutting-edge technology promises, and impressive specs, but what happens when all that innovation starts to unravel on the road? In this video, we're going to expose the hidden flaws and costly pitfalls of these vehicles that seem to struggle even before reaching the 40,000-mile mark. So, strap in and prepare for an exhaustive look into what you should really be asking before handing over your hard-earned cash. Full-size SUV nightmare: Yukon, Tahoe, and Escalade. Let's start with a segment that many of us have admired for years: the full-size SUVs like the GMC Yukon, Chevrolet Tahoe, and Cadillac Escalade. These vehicles have long been symbols of luxury, power, and American automotive prowess. They promise expansive interiors, state-of-the-art features, and the prestige that comes with owning a top-tier vehicle. However, beneath their sophisticated exteriors and high-end finishes, there's a storm brewing. These full-size SUVs are plagued by issues stemming from cylinder deactivation technology, a feature that was designed to boost fuel efficiency by shutting off select engine cylinders during light load conditions. Instead of delivering savings, this technology has turned into a major liability. Owners report that the technology frequently leads to lifter failures and severe engine malfunctions. Imagine cruising down the highway only for your engine to begin sputtering unexpectedly, forcing you to pull over as you await the inevitable repair bill. And it doesn't stop there. The problematic 10-speed automatic transmissions in these models cause rough shifting and abrupt failures, making what should be a smooth ride anything but comfortable. Over time, the continual need for engine replacements, combined with expensive transmission repairs, erodes the value of these vehicles and tests the patience of even the most loyal owners. The Escalade, Tahoe, and Yukon, which once stood as the epitome of reliability and luxury, are now facing relentless scrutiny as the reliability issues multiply. For many buyers, these once iconic SUVs have transformed into financial sinkholes that drain resources and diminish the enjoyment of owning a luxury vehicle. The adventurous but unpredictable Ford Bronco Sport. Next up is the Ford Bronco Sport, a vehicle that once captured the imagination of adventure seekers with its promise of compact off-road capability and rugged charm. Designed as a smaller, more accessible alternative to Ford's legendary Bronco, the Bronco Sport was marketed as the ideal companion for weekend getaways and off-road exploits. However, the reality for many owners is far from the promised adventure. At the heart of the Bronco Sport's issues lies its 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine. This engine was supposed to offer a punchy performance that could handle off-road challenges with ease, but it instead became infamous for one critical flaw: cracked fuel injectors. These cracks create dangerous fuel leaks that not only compromise the engine's performance, but also pose a serious fire hazard. Ford's recalls and warranty replacements have attempted to address these issues, yet the problems persist. On top of the fuel injector dilemma, owners report recurring turbocharger failures and overheating problems, issues that can turn a routine drive into a high-risk scenario. The Bronco Sport's mechanical setbacks not only impact its reliability, but also diminish the confidence of its drivers. The excitement of venturing into the wilderness is quickly replaced by anxiety over whether your vehicle will start or if you'll be forced to deal with yet another expensive repair. The gap between the promise of rugged adventure and the reality of mechanical breakdowns is wide, leaving many to wonder if this SUV is really built for the challenges it claims to conquer. Luxury turned looted: Infiniti QX50. Now let's transition into the realm of luxury with the Infiniti QX50. At first glance, the QX50 exudes sophistication, boasting high-end materials, refined design, and a suite of modern amenities that promise a first-class driving experience. This vehicle is marketed as the pinnacle of luxury, intended to offer both comfort and performance. However, beneath the polished surface, the QX50 harbors the same troubling issues found in more modest SUVs. The crux of the problem lies in its powertrain. The QX50 is equipped with a turbocharged three-cylinder engine that employs variable compression technology, a system that was heralded as a breakthrough in fuel efficiency and performance. In practice, however, this engine has proven to be less than reliable, experiencing frequent internal bearing failures and link damage that can lead to catastrophic engine breakdowns. Adding to the frustration, the continuously variable transmission, CVT, in the QX50 is notorious for its premature failures. For those who expect their luxury vehicle to provide peace of mind along with style, discovering that the same issues plague both the Nissan Rogue and the Infiniti QX50 is nothing short of disheartening. The result is a disconnect that leaves luxury buyers feeling shortchanged. Paying a premium for a vehicle should mean superior reliability and performance, yet the QX50 often delivers frustrations and unexpected repair bills that are more commonly associated with economy models. In the end, the glossy badge and upscale interiors are overshadowed by the underlying mechanical woes, prompting serious questions about whether the QX50 truly lives up to its luxurious promise. Rugged dreams turn nightmare. Jeep 4iC models. Now we turn to a name that once stood for unrivaled ruggedness and off-road capability, the Jeep brand. With the introduction of the 4iC hybrid models, including variants of the iconic Wrangler and Grand Cherokee, Jeep aimed to blend its legendary performance with modern, eco-friendly technology. Unfortunately, the reality for many Jeep 4iC owners has been a stark departure from the dreams of off-road conquest. The heart of the issue is the hybrid battery system. Instead of powering these vehicles with a robust and reliable energy source, the battery system has become a significant liability. Owners have reported frequent malfunctions that not only cause unexpected breakdowns, but also raise the alarming risk of vehicle fires. Picture this. You're on an off-road adventure, the engine roars to life, and then suddenly, a burning smell signals that something is seriously wrong beneath the hood. It's not just the battery. The 4xZ models are also plagued by drivetrain failures and a myriad of electronic glitches that can leave even the most experienced off-roaders stranded. Additionally, if you plan to take your Jeep into colder climates, be prepared for another round of disappointment. The hybrid system's efficiency deteriorates sharply in low temperatures, undermining the rugged performance that Jeep enthusiasts have come to expect. The result is a vehicle that spends more time in the repair shop than conquering new trails, a far cry from the dependable off-road machine it was meant to be. The Jeep 4i models, once hailed as the future of rugged adventure, now serve as a cautionary tale about the risks of blending advanced technology with traditional performance. Family vacation fiasco, Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. For families on the hunt for a reliable minivan, the Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid initially appeared to be the perfect solution, a vehicle that combined family-friendly design with the promise of fuel efficiency and environmental responsibility. Yet, as many Pacifica Hybrid owners have discovered, the reality of this vehicle is far more complicated and stressful than its marketing would have you believe. Imagine setting out on a long-planned family vacation, only to have the hybrid system abruptly shut down mid-drive. The consequences are both inconvenient and dangerous. The Pacifica Hybrid's powertrain issues begin with an unreliable hybrid system prone to unexpected shutdowns, leaving drivers stranded in unfamiliar locations. Compounding this problem are recurring battery pack malfunctions that elevate the risk of fire, a terrifying prospect for any parent. The minivan's technology, intended to be its greatest asset, instead creates a cascade of problems that turn what should be a comfortable, efficient ride into a mobile crisis. Adding insult to injury, the frequency of recalls for the Pacifica Hybrid is a constant source of anxiety. With repair times stretching into weeks, families often find themselves without a reliable vehicle during critical moments. The promise of an eco-friendly, fuel-efficient minivan quickly morphs into the harsh reality of expensive, unpredictable maintenance and safety concerns. For those who depend on their vehicles for daily commutes and family trips, the Pacifica Hybrid is a sobering reminder that not all that glitters is gold. Practical nightmare, Nissan Rogue. Rounding out our discussion is the Nissan Rogue, a model that has become a ubiquitous presence on roads and in parking lots across the country. At first glance, the Rogue presents itself as the perfect blend of modern design, practicality, and efficiency, a go-to choice for families and commuters. However, beneath its sleek exterior lies a series of mechanical issues that have earned it a reputation as a ticking time bomb. The heart of the Rogue's problems lies in its turbocharged three-cylinder engine, which employs variable compression technology. On paper, this innovative system is supposed to deliver both enhanced fuel economy and robust performance. In practice, however, the technology has proven to be overly complicated and prone to failure. Owners frequently report internal bearing failures and link damage that can lead to catastrophic engine breakdowns. This isn't just a matter of inconvenience. Each breakdown carries the risk of stranding drivers and incurring repair costs that could rival the price of a new vehicle. Adding to this misery is the Rogue's continuously variable transmission, CVT, which has developed a notorious reputation for premature failure. Unlike traditional transmissions that can sometimes be repaired, the CVT in the Rogue typically requires a complete replacement when it finally gives out. For many drivers, every start of the engine feels like a roll of the dice, with the looming question, will today be the day my engine gives out? The common theme and consumer impact. When you step back and examine all of these issues side by side, from the catastrophic failures of cylinder deactivation technology in full-size SUVs and trucks, to the hybrid system malfunctions in the Jeep 4xe and Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid, and the engine and transmission woes in both the Nissan Rogue and Infiniti QX50, a clear pattern emerges. The automotive industry is increasingly integrating advanced high-tech features that promise efficiency, performance, and environmental benefits. Yet these same features often introduce new failure points that can turn a dream ride into a money pit. For consumers, the impact of these issues is far-reaching. Beyond the immediate frustration of a breakdown or an unexpected repair bill lies the emotional and financial toll of owning a vehicle that can't be relied upon when you need it most. Whether you're a weekend adventurer, a daily commuter, or a family on the go, the uncertainty of whether your vehicle will start in the morning or run smoothly on a long road trip can erode the joy of driving. These reliability issues force us to rethink what we value most in our vehicles, not just style and performance, but consistent dependability and peace of mind. A closer look at the technology. Let's take a moment to delve deeper into the technologies at the heart of these problems. Variable compression engines, hybrid systems, and cylinder deactivation technologies were all introduced with the goal of revolutionizing automotive efficiency and performance. However, each of these innovations comes with its own set of challenges. Variable compression engines, for instance, are designed to adjust the engine's compression ratio on the fly, theoretically offering the best of both worlds in terms of power and fuel economy. Yet, as we've seen in the Nissan Rogue and Infiniti QX50, the complexity of these systems can lead to catastrophic internal failures. Hybrid systems, which are at the core of the Jeep 4xe and Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid, promise reduced emissions and improved fuel efficiency, but often struggle with battery reliability and thermal management issues. And the cylinder deactivation technology found in GM trucks and full-size SUVs, while innovative in concept, has become a recurring source of mechanical failures that no one seems willing to fully address. The bottom line is that these advanced systems, although promising on paper, require rigorous testing and robust engineering to perform reliably in real-world conditions. Until manufacturers can iron out these kinks, consumers will continue to face a barrage of unexpected repairs and safety concerns. As we wrap up this extensive exploration, it's clear that the allure of advanced automotive technology must be balanced with a sober assessment of long-term reliability. Whether you're eyeing a luxury SUV, a rugged off-roader, or a practical family minivan, it's critical to look beyond the initial promises and glossy marketing materials. Dive into reliability reports, scour owner reviews, and ask the tough questions about what happens when innovation meets real-world conditions. Ultimately, the true value of any vehicle is not just determined by its price tag or its impressive features, but by its ability to perform consistently and safely over the long haul. In today's fast-evolving automotive landscape, being an informed buyer means understanding that sometimes the most innovative technology can also bring the greatest risks. Thank you for taking the time to join me on this exhaustive deep dive into the reliability issues that plague some of today's most talked about SUVs and trucks. If you found this video informative, even eye-opening, please show your support by hitting that thumbs up button, sharing this video with anyone in the market for a new vehicle, and subscribing to the channel for more detailed automotive analysis and updates. I'd love to hear your personal experiences and thoughts in the comments below. What issues have you encountered with your vehicle, and how have they affected your day-to-day life? Let's keep the conversation going and help each other make smarter, more informed decisions when it comes to our automotive investments. Until next time, stay informed, drive safely, and remember, the best vehicle purchase is one that stands the test of time, both on paper and on the road. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.